Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage webcam privacy settings on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. Start by opening the control center and go into settings. After that, you have to go to privacy and security, open privacy controls in this menu, and then camera access. If you want to, you can restrict camera access to all the applications you have on this computer simply by switching off this toggle. But if you want to manage camera access permissions separately for each application, you have to open camera access menu and then either allow some application your camera's usage by switching the toggle next to it to the right, or disallow by switching it to the left. Besides, don't forget about the most significant privacy feature of your camera, which is the privacy shutter right above it. You can move it to the left to close your camera and to the right to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.